Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Suzuki. Then I'll take you for a drive in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a Suzuki Swift 1.2 SZ3 3-door. 2013 on a 63 plate. Just had 4 new tyres. Has done 36,709 miles. It's MOT'd until the 26th of the 4th, 2021. It was last serviced on the 3rd of March 2020 at 36,668 miles, so it's just been done, nothing to spend on it. Fuel economy, urban 46.3 miles per gallon, extra urban 46.2 miles per gallon, and combined is 56.5 miles per gallon, so really economical. 0 to 60 time of 12.3 seconds, a top speed of 103 miles per hour, out of a 93 brake horsepower 16 valve engine. Road tax on this vehicle is only £30 a year as well. So as I say, it's nothing to spend. It's got new tyres on it, just been serviced, really economical, a great buy for somebody. So it's finished in red with this black cloth and the pinstripe centre panels. We've got remote keys for it here, a proper ignition lock, which is something I like to see. Good level of equipment. We've got air conditioning as well. I'll just take you for a ride in it. Just on my way to the garage to check over the forecourt, make sure everything's all right, and again take this opportunity, as we must these days, to kill 2 birds with 1 stone and do a video of one of the vehicles that we didn't get time to do before the lockdown. Nice little car. Fortunately, Lance, he can still go in. He's using the workshop on his own. Obviously he can't clean our cars from home, so he's not getting in anybody's way, but making a really good job. As you can see, this car is like absolute new, and I've driven these cars before, and these tend to remind me of the old Minis, the Minis before they got really big. They're very, very nippy, easy to drive, change directions like a blue bottle. Really nice, fun car, and very economical. The seat here is height adjustable too, and we've got controls here for the radio on the 1/4-2 arm of the steering wheel, and then just here we've got controls for the Bluetooth audio system, or Bluetooth hands-free. It's voice activated, and I've got to say, I never read instruction books, and I've just muddled my way through. It's not the easiest system I've ever used, but fortunately you only have to do it once and then you forget about it. And it's also got Bluetooth audio streaming too, so you can listen to your music as you're going along from your phone, or audio books as I like to. It's a real nice gear change. Actually, I'm going to go up that way. There's nothing behind me, so I can switch lanes with impunity. So I'm going to go up this way. It's up the dual carriageway towards work. It's probably a little bit further, but quicker. And it's give you a better idea of how nippy this car is and how good that gear change is. It's as I said before, it's a 3-door. Whoops. As I said before, it's a 3-door, little hatchback there. It's a fair bit of room. I've got a lot of stuff in it at the moment. It's absolutely full. I changed cars, and just to put this up my drive while we're on lockdown, and it's got all my camera equipment in the back, tripods, coats, and that sort of stuff. So it's quite a handy size. It's a 5-speed gearbox, proper handbrake, which I like to see, and nice Bluetooth audio system there. You've got your air conditioning here, and the air con is icy cold. Brave man there overtaking the policeman. Nice and simple. Okay, I suppose I really like gadgets. I like the latest technology, but not in cars. It's got proper switches, proper aircon switches, proper wheels that you know where it is from muscle memory, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. You know you're turning the heat up, there it's red hot, there it's cold, and anywhere in between is where you're going to set it. And then your nice clicky fan, your aircon button there, and which directions the airflow's coming out. So in my opinion, an iPad on your dashboard is stupid. Sooner or later, that iPad, when it goes wrong, will basically make your car a write-off, because you won't be able to use any controls, and it'll cost more for a new iPad thing than the car's worth. So whoever thought of that idea, you know, it's just the motor trade shooting itself in the foot yet again. Anyway, back to this lovely car. So it's nice and clean outside. I couldn't see any marks. I've only looked around it very quickly, I've got to say, and it just drives absolutely fantastic. Nice light clutch, nice power steering. I'll just show you this. Oh, so height adjustable steering, not reach adjustable, sorry, getting that the wrong way around. There you go, Bob Marley. That's playing off my mobile phone through the system, so audio streaming. It's just a nice car. I better not do that either. Put my camera down. We've got electric windows, electric door mirrors, and they've got their heated sign in the mirror, so that's handy on frosty mornings. There you go, that's working nicely. Knock it over to the left one, yeah, that's working good too. So everything's spot on the car. I will try and do a video on how to how to pair your mobile with a Bluetooth system, how to stream audio, and how to delete a mobile. But as I say, I've not read the instruction book, so I try and do it the kind of easy way, or the intuitive way, and not sit there reading a book. If I can't figure it out how to do it after doing hundreds of the damn things, then it shouldn't be in the car. It's too complicated. You see, really good steering, and the slightest movement of the steering wheel, the slightest input, and the car moves. It's a real sporty feel to it. Nice finish inside. Got this kind of imitation aluminium surround around the steering wheel, around the air vents there, up the door cards. Just a great little car. Make an ideal first car, I would say. I'm not sure on the insurance on this, but of course you can get a quote. Well, that brings into mind, we've just got a new affiliate, Sheila's Wheels Insurance. So I believe they specialise in ladies insurance. I'm sure you're not allowed to do that these days. And when I say ladies, what I mean is anybody who identifies as a lady. I give up. I don't know what to say for fear of putting my foot in it these days. Anyway, Sheila's Wheels Insurance, oh, just check them out for God's sake. And that's in our web store anyway. And we've got loads of other things now in the web store. We've got electric bikes, electric motorbikes, or links to our affiliates who sell electric bikes and electric motorbikes. We've got everything. It's for somebody who's been in the motor trade all his life and just dealt with cars. It's quite a novelty and quite a change, taking on these affiliates and trying to integrate them with our website and with our 500,000 YouTube viewers a month. At the moment, we're getting 25,000 views on the web store a month, and it's all going in the right direction. We're already geared for working from home, and also before this COVID-19, basically the way everybody else is trying to work now is the way we've been working for the last 2 to 4 years. We do these videos so you can see it's a proper car. We take it, this is a 4K video, so if you're watching it on YouTube, if you go down to the bottom, you can change the quality of the videos to 4K. And as I said in the last video, my Amiga watch, the battery was going, and you can only tell, normally it sweeps, and you can only tell when the battery starts going. It does that, and it clicks every 5 seconds. That's kind of a warning. But somebody in one of my videos noticed it was doing that. Now, you know, if you can see the second hand in my video and tell it's not operating correctly, then any marks, imperfections on the car, you're going to be able to see them in 4K. Your eyes see in 8K. 4K is basically the best standard at the moment, really, for viewing. So we can't do any more. As soon as 8K comes, we'll be filming in 8K as well. I can tell you, this is a really, really nice car to drive. Nice, well, I've said it before, nice gear change. But if you just watch this, we'll just get a bit of speed. Just push it forward. It flicks over into the center position, and then straight into third, into fourth, and then a bit of pressure towards your leg into fifth. Again, knock it out of fifth, it'll go into central position and just back into fourth. Lovely, lovely car. And you can feel it. It's like you can feel when it is actually in gear, and you can let go. We'll just give it a bit of a blast up this dual carriageway. Here we go. It feels faster than the 0 to 60 time suggests, but well, when we get back to après COVID and all the roads are blocked up again, then it'll be fine. And a real comfortable car too. So anyway, I think that's about it on the car. At some stage, I'll try and the service book's not in the vehicle. The garage must have taken it out to stamp it, so I can't tell you what the service is. But it's if I get chance, I'll try and cut it into the video. I'll certainly put it in the advert. So if you look in there, that'll tell you. But this car has been very, very well looked after, and great value for money. And great fun for your money too. Okay, well, if the video's been of any use to you, please like and subscribe. As I say, have a look at the web store. There's a link. on GG Cars, which you've no doubt seen this video on. If you've seen it on our other channel, BC Cars, then that's the link to our web store. And we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully we'll be back to normal by then. Thank you.